Bye, guys.
Bye.
Hey, what's up, my boy?
I'm done. Sorry.
No! No. They are my chicken nuggets. No.
Oh my god.
Why?
I can't go. This cat's just looking at me like he's got, you got a problem. We can handle it right now. Yeah, you up the window. Pussy ass cat. Small face.
What? You eat rice?
I got your baby. I got you. Luna.
Here are 5 simple steps to get your dog to respect you. Step number 1.
Y'all might judge me, but I named my cat Charlie so I could literally talk to him in an English accent. Charlie! Charlie! Hello? How are you? Also, when he bites me, I'm able to say, ouch, Charlie, you bit my finger!
Hey!
I just want to get on here and say Merry Christmas from my family.
Whoa!
Hi.
Angel, can I get an apple?
You're such a good girl. Are you a festive Marf?
Get down. Stop. Stop.
Remy, are you okay? You okay, Remy?
Where's this fidget spinner? What will she do?
Joey. Joey, hey. That's you.
She's a precious angel. Oh, okay, that didn't hurt. You're being dramatic.
I tell them if they'll listen. I say, don't do the nip every day, or else you'll end up looking like me.
All right, birthday dinner for the Sochi. Big 3 years old. He's got steak, sweet potato.
And the best part of this plan is, no one can stop me.
You want to take a drive to Starbucks?
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
Oh, okay, okay.
No.
Fetch me their soul.
First they're sour, then they're sweet.
It's okay.
Sour Patch Kids.
Finn?
Mother. Mother, I crave violence.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
I know. Can you believe it? I mean, that's what she said. She said that you're ugly.
What do you want?
A chocolate.
You want what?
What chocolate?
Oh, you poor thing.
I'm alive. I'm dead. I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. I'm dead again. I'm up.
Are you kidding me right now?
So if he tells you anything fucking different, he's a liar and a fucking snake. You.
Surprise, shawty!
Leo. Leo. You want food?
This family makes me want to murder people.
Kitty gets gifts too.
Surprise, shawty!
Oh.
Hey, buddy. Want this Cheetos?
Jesus Christ! Oh God, not again! Not again! Not again!
What did you do to my boy?
What'll it be? The usual? Tough day?
Go away. You've ruined a lot of things today. Oh, no, come. Oh no, I didn't mean it. Oh no.
It's easy to. No.
Everyone needs a little time to relax. And since we switched the game fabrics off,
Milo, I have something to tell you. You're adopted.
No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Do you love me? No. Yes. No. Hi.
Telling them, give me the Sheba next time because the meow make. Hey, yo, who was that on your goddamn forehead? Why is it spicy? Fetch me their soul.
А здесь глубина.
Ты нормальный, Боба? Ты нормальный?
No, Dad, I'm not gonna do it hard.
Get it in there.
No! No!
Look at me. Make good decisions, Coco. Don't do it. Hey! That's mean.
Every time my dad finishes a meeting, he says, "Thanks, guys," and I know it's time for a pat.
Thanks, guys.
Kerbang! Oh no, slow death!
Please tell me I'm not the only one that helps my cat sneeze.
Did you kill her?
Mikkel. Sit.
Stop it. Get away, you psycho. Stop. I know you're about to bite me. Ow! All right, show us how you go down the stairs.
All right, Merry Christmas, Gretchen.
I think that just dripped oil right on her face.
Tried to stretch my legs, but my feet were cold.
Alright guys, super random, but does anybody know why this is here? Let me show you guys. Why or is that there? And does anybody know how much HP they have?
You know how to get yourself down. Monroe, what are you doing?
Stay.
If you expect to get any presents for Christmas this year, we're going to have to donate some things to clear some room. What about this thing?
That's my special one.
Your special one. I've literally never seen you play with this.
I didn't know where it was.
No, but yeah. Your problem.
No way. No, wait.
Nana, come here.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
What's up, guys? Today for brunch I'm cooking eggs, and I wanted to share the best ingredient in my opinion for eggs. Thank you. Seasoning salt.
Are you enjoying your bath? Yeah? Are you having a good time? What? Why not?
Here comes the man. Hello, adult man. Welcome, taxpayer.
Stop. 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 Hardin, stop. Stop.
Every time I'm in the kitchen, you in the kitchen.
No. All right, fine. Okay. Well, I said... Oh, you like it? Oh, no, you don't. I told you.
Watch my puppy fake a broken leg.